Hey everybody, it's Brian from the Traction Labs team. Today I'm going to run you through some of the new features in Traction Complete 1.8, which we've just released on the App Exchange. So we've added the ability to match data to custom fields, and that includes parent company information as well. We've also added a new field to show match confidence at the individual lead level. So all these features are going to help you create some more complex real-time routing rules and allow you to better manage your lead data. If you want to upgrade, search for the Traction Complete App Exchange listing, click on the green Get It Now button, and you'll be upgraded within a few minutes. After you upgrade, you'll notice some changes to the Traction Complete setup menu. So you're going to see 3 new checkboxes underneath the General Options section: Match Parent Company, Match Domestic Ultimate, and Match Global Ultimate. So what these allow us to do is pull data from D&B for 3 levels of parent companies on a company match, not just data from the direct match as we could before. If you'd like to base your assignment rules on Global Ultimate Revenue, for example, Complete now gives you the flexibility to do it. But you will need to check these boxes to enable this functionality, and then map the data to your lead fields, which I'll show you in a sec. Mapping to custom fields is also new in Complete 1.8. So what you'll see under field options here are pick lists for each individual field. Data can now be appended to any standard or custom field, which will be shown in your pick list. The only catch is that the field that you'll be mapping to has to have the same data type as the original standard field. So for example, annual revenue and employee count are number fields. The company ID is a lookup field. But everything else is just a standard text field. You can always reference the original field settings when you're creating your new custom fields to make sure that they're the same. This custom field mapping is going to allow you to retain your original lead data while also appending matched lead data. So for example, if you wanted to keep the original phone number on your lead, what I've done here is I've created a matched phone field. And that's a custom field, so now anytime we find a match, the phone number will go into the custom matched phone field, and the original phone number will be kept in the standard field. That gives your reps a couple of different options to try when they're trying to get a hold of their lead. And for example, if your lead puts in their cell phone number on the web to lead form, it won't be overwritten with the standard company number. If you're turning on parent matching, you're going to see additional fields down below. So under parent field options, domestic ultimate parent field options, and global ultimate parent field options, you'll be able to do the same field mapping. So each of these will have to be set up as custom fields, but again, as long as they're the same data type, you'll be able to map them. So in our demo here, we've created assignments for all of these fields here under parent company, a few select fields under domestic ultimate, and global ultimate as well. So I'll show you these new features in action. I'm just going to enter in a new lead. So we'll just do John Smith from Verizon France. We'll enter in a phone number here. And just with the bare minimum information, we'll save the record. And we'll just wait for the trigger to automatically fire. Okay, so we found a match for Verizon France. This is a company match because John Smith doesn't work there. We've appended the phone number to the custom matched phone field, plus we've retained his original phone number. So now our rep has 2 numbers that they can try to reach John at. We've stamped the D&B match confidence in this D&B match confidence field, which is now included with the managed package. So to see this on your page layout, all you need to do is edit your page layout and drag the field on there. The field should already exist after you upgrade. So we've matched this at a 7. If we have our confidence code set to a 5, what Traction Complete will do is it will automatically try to look at a 10 and work its way down to a 5 and return the best match possible. So knowing this gives your rep an indication of whether or not they should be checking secondary sources and gives you better insight into the quality of this individual match. We can also scroll down and see that we've appended parent information using the same mapping that we set up earlier. So we've got parent company information for all of these fields, as well as domestic ultimate information and global ultimate information. We can now use this information to create our complex routing rules and put this lead into the right hands. That covers the new features in Traction Complete 1.8. We really hope you enjoy the new release. If you have any feedback, please reach us at help@tractionlabs.ca, and we'd love to see some 5-star reviews if you do like the tool. Thanks for watching.